Hey guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix this problem right here. You see, toilet's leaking in the bottom. So now we're gonna go to Home Depot and we're gonna get that fixed. We're gonna remove the toilet, put a new wax ring because that's probably what's causing it. That the wax ring is too old, so the water is penetrate. Not penetrate, but y'all know what I mean. It's leaking. So we're gonna go to Home Depot now and we're gonna get that fixed. Follow me.
At Home Depot. Look at them in the cart. They're driving. Say hi, guys.
Hi! I'm not way too big for this. I'm the perfect size.
Now we're gonna be looking for the wax ring that goes on the toilet. Let's see which one we're gonna get because I think they got 3 different ones. If I'm not mistaken.
You got it?
I think it's. Let me see this one. Trying to get a better one.
Yeah, so we don't have to replace
So
it.
that way we don't have to. You know what I'm saying, guys?
Which one's better?
Probably go with this one.
That
This
one?
is a full package.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put a link in the video so that way you guys can buy it. Or yeah, just can come to the aisle. Aisle number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the aisles. Just look for it.
We ended up getting this one, guys. Not the other ones that we showed you. You got it?
Yes, I got this one.
Okay.
It's waterproof. Just gotta let it sit for 30 minutes and then it's gonna be set.
That's good.
Guys, so we're not gonna be using this one because I didn't notice it said heavy duty and I thought it was like 10 of them, to be honest, like the little ones. But then I just open up. But that happened when you don't read, so you gotta go and read. So this is heavy duty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it for washing dishes because look better, I guess. So I found this one in my garage. So this is the one I'm gonna be using. I feel more comfortable with it. So yeah, so we're gonna say this one. So when you go to Home Depot, read, okay? All right. Now we're gonna remove those 2 bulbs right here, guys, from each side. You got 2 of those from the each side. So we're gonna have to remove that now, okay? Yeah, so it looked like it have a lot of wax under, guys. So, cause I just removed the dent from there, and look. So we're gonna lift up the toilet now, and I'm gonna show you all the nasty. Okay, so we're gonna remove the toilet now, guys, and lift it up slowly. Just move it slowly. If you can have a partner help you, that will be great. But since I'm by myself, look, let me show you. Come around. You see, this is the wax. See how nasty it look around? So we're gonna have to remove the old wax, clean around, pull the new stuff, and then pull everything back. So I'm gonna remove the wax with a spatula. If you can find something to cover the pipes, guys, so that way the wax doesn't go in there, you know what I'm saying? It messed up your pipe. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna scrape all the wax around. Like I say, after we scrape all the wax around, we're gonna clean everything, disinfect everything. Okay guys, so now we got everything clean. I cleaned as much as I could. Now we're gonna put the new toilet sealer, and then we're gonna pull everything back. So let me show you. Open it up, and this is how we got. We got new bulbs and everything. So just like the picture, like that. This one go first, and then this one. Easy peasy. Okay guys, so we're gonna put the bulbs, make sure they 6-inch apart. So right there, we're gonna put this little starry all the way down. Make sure it stays right there. You don't go nowhere, boy. There we go. Next thing, we're gonna put this little piece. I don't know what's the name of it, but just put it. Okay. Wow, look at that. And make sure it's straight. There we go. And the last piece, the magic piece, this thing. We're gonna put it right in here. Nice. I tell you what though, I will never choose this as a career, being a plumber. I do it for the crib, for the family. But for life, doing this, that's not me. I respect everybody who do it though. But this job is not for me. And then just put everything back. It's that easy. We're gonna lift the toilet, make sure it's nice and steady, and pull all the bolts back. And it's that easy. And you can save hundreds of dollars by doing it yourself. DUI, right? Or DIY? What is it? You know what I'm saying. So do it yourself. Yeah. $20, it can get you a long way. Okay, so guys, so we realize we don't need this. Because that's just this spacer. If the thing is above, you don't need it. So we're just gonna put this right in here. You see? Make sure it's nice in there. Like this. Like that. And then now we just gotta pull the thing back. And you can save the spacer. And that just, my daughter just went to the upstairs bathroom and she just flushed. Nice, right? Nice. Mary! Why she did that? I'm done. When you get the, I need to get the bulb in there now. The other one is in.
Time for the moment of truth.
Okay guys, so time for the moment of truth. So we're gonna open the water bulb again. Let it drain a little bit. And then we're just gonna flush it. And hopefully it's not leaking. If it's not leaking, we did a good job. And then we just gotta put the silicone around here. And then we should be good. Let's go. Alright guys, we're flushing. See, just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Mini. That's me. That's me. You inspect it. Nothing here. Flush one more time.